Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naveen Dama. Today we are going to discuss why to learn Python and the importance of Python. Let's get started. In order to explain the importance of Python, I have made my notes in a IPython notebook. Let's have a look at it. I have listed down 8 points to explain the importance of Python. Python is very easy to learn. Why I am saying Python is very easy to learn? Because it doesn't have heavy syntax like other languages when it compared to Java or a C programming language. We can design an application in Python with very few lines when compared it with C or Java. Let's have a look at it. To show that, I have taken an example of printing the first 10 natural numbers in C, Java and Python. Let's have a look at it. In order to print 10 numbers, we have written approximately 6 to 7 lines of code in C language. In Java, in order to print the same 10 numbers, we have written the same approximately 6 to 7 lines. But you can see that in Python, we have written only 3 lines. That too, we are not having any forever braces or else semicolons or a kind of thing. So from this example, you can see that Python is syntactically very simple and easy to write. It looks like a more English kind of language because you can, by reading it, you can easily understand what the program does. Whereas in C or Java, it is syntactically heavy when compared to Python. You have to learn the syntax and all. It takes a lot of time, but learning Python takes very less time when compared with Java or C. Because the syntax is simple, you can easily understand the language. Coming to the second point, we have a huge Python community where you can post your questions and get the answers within 24 to 48 hours because there are lots of people available to help you with your query or else issue. Let's have a look at the Stack Overflow. You can see that almost 17 lakhs questions are posted in Stack Overflow on Python. There are so many people to answer your questions here. Now let's get back to our IPython notebook. Using Python, we can develop web applications, mobile applications, and also desktop standalone applications. So that with Python, you can develop any sort of application in any platform. Python has a huge library base and frameworks built on top of it. Let us have a look at the libraries and frameworks. You can see that almost 10,000 plus packages are available to help you in your task. And we have frameworks like Django, Flask to design web applications and to create stunning dashboards, visual dashboards kind of thing. Now let us have a look at the top MNCs that are using Python around the world and are supporting the Python community to grow. You can see that almost every top MNC companies is using Python in their development. Here you can see Google, Facebook, Amazon. You can see a lot of companies using Python. These companies are using Python because Python is easy to implement and have a robust library that helps a person in every task. Python is also used to build stunning visualizations, graphs kind of thing. Let us have a look at the visualizations that can be built over Python. You can see here all these graphs were built using one of the libraries that are available in Python. Python has the libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly to make great visual graphs. You can install them using just one line, pip install the package name, and you are ready to use the package. That's the beauty of Python. Python is one of the most used language in machine learning and deep learning. The Python itself gained popularity due to its applications in machine learning and deep learning. Let us see some of the libraries that are used in machine learning and deep learning. Here are some of the machine learning libraries that we will be using in machine learning and deep learning. We will be using Pandas, NumPy for data cleaning and data processing things, Scikit-learn for model building and model training, Keras, PyTorch, TensorFlow. These will be used in deep learning to train the neural networks. NLTK is used in natural language processing. Spark is used when you want to deal with terabytes of data. Till now we have discussed about the importance of Python and the advantages of learning Python. Finally, let's look at the job opportunities that are available in Python. If you go for LinkedIn and search for the Python jobs, you can see that on LinkedIn platform 37,000 plus Python related jobs were posted in India right now. And in Glassdoor you can see that 8,000 plus jobs are posted only for Python developer role. There are several job opportunities available for Python. Just you have to learn the Python very well and design some of the proof of concepts or build some demo applications in order to showcase your skills, so that it helps in your interviews for cracking the Python roles. If you like the video, please do subscribe and press on the bell icon in order to receive the notifications whenever I upload a new video.